Today we are going to share a practice for our center, for core strengthening. Dear friends, welcome to Simply Yoga with Nathalie. I'm Nathalie. This is our friend Oopsie. Join me on your mat in a sitting pose. Breath in through the nose, inhale. Exhale through the nose. Inhale and exhale. On the next inhale, reach one arm overhead. Exhale, bend toward one side. Inhale, come back. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Inhale, come back to center. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bend. Inhale and release. With the other arm, inhale, reach up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend. Inhale, release. Exhale, bend. One more, inhale and exhale. Inhale, reach arms overhead. Exhale, cactus the arms. Release, inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. And release. On the next inhale, come to all fours. Keep the wrists under the shoulders and the knees under the hips. We'll do a few rounds of cat and cow here. Inhale. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest. Draw your navel in. Inhale. Exhale, reach the tailbone toward the sky. Open your chest. Shine your heart. Smile. Inhale for cat. Exhale, round. Inhale. Arch your back. Gaze forward. Reach the tailbone toward the sky. Inhale. Exhale. For cat. Inhale. Exhale for cow. Inhale and come to tabletop, bringing the back to a neutral position, having the back parallel to the ground. From here, draw your navel in, engage your core. Inhale, extend your leg toward the back, flex your foot. Exhale and release. Again, inhale, up, extend, exhale. One more on this side. Inhale, extend, engage your core. and exhale. Moving on to the other leg. Inhale, reach back, extend, drawing your navel in. Imagine that there is an imaginary wall just behind you and you're pressing your foot against the wall. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. For the next movement, we're going to extend the leg along with the opposite arm. Inhale. Extend the leg and bring the arm forward, engaging the core. Stay here. Breathe in and out. Exhale, release. Inhale on the other side, extending the leg and the arm, engaging the core, keeping the head in line with the spine. Breathe in and out. Inhale, exhale and release. We'll do that one more time on each side. Inhale. Exhale. On the other side. Inhale. And exhale. Come to sit on your heels for a moment. Good job. Breathe in and out in awareness. On the next inhale, come to a sitting pose. Bring your legs in front of you, bending the knees. The feet are placed on the ground, touching the mat. And here there are a few options. One of them would be to place the hands on each side. Inhale. Exhale, round your back. Come toward the ground. Exhale. Inhale. Moving your chest forward. Exhale. Rounding and coming toward your mat. Engaging your core. Inhale. Moving forth. Exhale, back. And we're going to do back and forth like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Remember to smile. Here another option would be to grab your thighs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, coming back to center. Next pose here would be to lift your feet. Inhale. Bring the shins parallel to the ground, pointing your toes, engaging your core. Draw your navel in. Draw the shoulder blades together. Here again a few options. Placing the hands on each side or grabbing the thighs, or also extending the arms, palms facing up. And from here, inhale, and with the toes we're going to bring them to the ground, touching the mat. Inhale, exhale, And we're going to alternate the feet. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. And at any time you can take a pause the video, just stay here for a moment, and when you're ready, bring the chest, open the chest, draw your shoulders away from the ears, bring the shins parallel to the ground, engage your core, and again, touching the mat. From here again, a few options. Placing the hands on the side, grabbing the thighs, or extending the leg here for both pose. And there is a possibility, if your body allows you today, is to extend the arms and slowly bringing the legs down. And from here, slowly we're going to come all the way down to the ground for a deserved rest. Continue to breathe. Bend one knee and cross it over the extended leg for a supine twist. You can gaze at the sky here, keeping your shoulders on the mat. Here my leg is pointing toward my right hand side, and I'm gonna gaze to the left. Just an option here if you want. Inhale, coming back to center and crossing with the other leg. Inhale, coming back to center. Bring your knees toward your chest. Give yourself a big hug. And you can rock from side to side here. And then extend your arms and leg. Take a big stretch here if you want. From the tips of the toes to the tips of the fingers. Big stretch, big inhale. Big thank you to yourself. And release everything. Stay here as long as you wish. You can pause the video here. And when you're ready, press yourself up to a sitting pose. Thank you for taking the time for yourself today. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. I'm Nathalie. This is Oopsie. Take a big inhale. Bring your palms together at the heart center. Namaste.